Where can people go market? And you know, so them they chuck their long, like any trailer back.
Yeah, I know them. Yeah.
Then full them up at the homeless. People with no nothing, nothing wrong with them, but they don't know where to live.
Yeah.
And they kill them. Go fling them in a mud lake. Then I said, some of them, their family never see them back.
PNP no good for Jamaica, you know. It's just the fundamental truth.
It was said
PNP no good for the economy.
over 3 trip they make. 3 trip.
PNP no good for Jamaica.
And phone mine and people were homeless. They come down there, going to fling them mud lake.
All I wish you do, pack up Mark Golden into a box and send him back out, Mark Angle with care.
Yeah, man. Mark Golden for left Jamaica, man.
Put him in a box, ship him out.
You don't want to talk about Andrew Hollis, 28 bank account, eh? And this man have whole at 63, 32 were active, plus those where they not finance yet, plus those where have in a trust funds, and they run pan this man name.
Andrew is one of the youngest prime minister and one of the best, do the best for Jamaica.
Exactly.
Good evening. Good evening.
No. Good evening.
Yeah.
Andrew when it's perform, and you cannot take that from the Prime Minister. I remember in COVID.
Listen, how much you think is for a bread in England now? My good friend on the line, tell them how much for a loaf of bread. No, I want you to tell them how much for a loaf of bread.
Yeah, it's about £4.
All right. How much for the dollars out here? 200 or how much?
190 something. 190 something.
190 something.
190 something.
No.
Now how much you want loaf of bread out here?
You can $600. $600.
$600. So if you should multiply that now in a England pound, $4 how much? You said, brother?
Oh, £4 flat, yeah.
Yeah, all right, say £4 flat. Uno do the maths and say if Brenda not there at England more than Jamaica.
Good evening, good night.
Good night.
You look fine.
You see?
You look fine.
I tell Ingram, I say Ingram Pandu and live at about him go supermarket and how much him have to spend me. I tell him say first time in the America you could have used $200 and pack 2 barrels.
And send to Jamaica.
You can't use $200 and pack no barrel again. The same come to Jamaica. So no matter what them say, everywhere over the world, inflation. Yeah? When them go tell about Jamaica dear, everywhere you turn, inflation.
One mango. No, just listen to this, guys. One mango in England, right? For $10. One mango. And we have it as $2 out here.
Yeah, my wife buy 2 last week and she told me she paid for £8, yeah.
All right.
Very
small. No, listen to this now. I see this morning a woman beg the foreigners them not to come to Jamaica. Cause she said when she walk on the road, she get Julie Mango, East Indian, Bambi, Blackie. The amount of mango she get and she never pay a red cent and she eat the mango. This is Jamaican and I'm hungry. Wish she's saying it in terms. I try to tell them say we are not dead we are not dying for hungry out here. Everybody can find something to eat. Breadfruit, the pantry. Right now if I want 100 roasting breadfruit, I can go pantry and find it.
Wow.
And when you're done here, I say Jamaica.
Nobody now don't feel hungry at Jamaica. No one.
Anybody where
now don't feel hungry at Jamaica.
Anybody where I don't feel hungry,
I don't want to feel
they
hungry.
don't want no work. They want the handout.
I think if a guy try to die in Jamaica for hungry unless he want to commit his own death, you gotta get food there. Shower labor right.
I get too much breadfruit free.
Good night. Good
You
night.
don't have to buy enough.
Good night.
You don't have to nothing.
Can I
Listen.
get a moment?
Yes, man, on the talk.
PNP is in
Give me a talk. I'm full of time now.
Yeah, man.
Good night.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
man.
since night me go Pandutan live, you know, but I didn't get the time to talk. But I hear Ingram talk some things on internet. So I one question me want to ask him. Can I say him go store go buy something and when he, about four something, he go buy and it cost him over $7,000. So I was talking to him, things are expensive here in Jamaica. So me want to ask
So,
him
you
the
know what
question.
you go there to buy? You go there to buy. You go there to buy Pampers and Stay Free. We put on dime.
You know? Me want to ask him this question. It's just because they believe. You hear me? Wanna hear
Yes. Yeah, man.
me? Yeah, me want to ask him if because he believe or they believe that things are expensive and the only thing Jamaican people can afford to eat a chicken back, because that is what McGregor have yesterday for his people in his own consequences yesterday. You understand?
Brother, you better the man insist on chicken food.
What did you say about chicken back? I wish to eat some chicken back right now and some ackee.
Yes. Yes.
Chicken back.
But as an MP, but him not so bad. Him not so bad because at least he must full the PNP them belly. No labor, can no labor now go there. Can we free them price away? So we not go there.
But
But
listen to me.
when you
I Mark Golden want to do.
Listen to me.
I Mark Golden want in a chunk space, you know.
It is more than bad for a politician, a person who say he want to lead some people who want to have a control for a area. It is so bad. That's the only thing you can offer to your people and that you want to lead. Chicken back.
no, but
You better I never say nothing.
but no,
You better cook it.
One at a time.
It better if he didn't say nothing, because you already stated
That's
poor
what he
people
said.
food. So you definitely see a PNP want to keep people poor. Because the imago class it has poor people food. And chicken back have just be a bone. You understand me? Right now, I'm telling you, you wouldn't find the JLP do that none at all. You understand me? You wouldn't find him do none of, you wouldn't find Andrew Holness or none of minister or in staff them do those things. You understand me? Because if people are go follow back on people just for one chicken backbone, it don't make sense. You know, you don't go just approve how desperate you are.
True.
You understand me? How desperate and hungry you are. And as I hear, you know, me down here where me live on over, but me is originate from Chilani. And right now in a bush, top side me, a goat and a mango. Breadfruit the lick dog down here, so nobody no want it. So how people feel hungry at Jamaica? How people are taxed them and suffer? People can't suffer at Jamaica.
Yo, brother, sorry there, but we have to remember still, you know. We have to remember.
You look much man.
We have to remember, you know. A Michael Manley runway. Michael Manley runway. What we hear your name? Marcus Garvey, you know. Remember, said them to sell out Marcus Garvey for rice and peas and chicken back, you know. A PNP they do that, you know. A PNP, so Marcus Garvey not qualify. The background in a sound good. Yeah, so me always I wonder, so now, how people really support PNP when PNP all the people them on 11 years what a wage freeze. 11 years in a wage freeze, you know. And you have a government to come in a power in a 10 year, or when it would say 9.5 years, where everybody pay a raise. Every single soul. The only man when I get a raise a pay, Andrew Holness.
Listening, man. We listening.
Yeah, so me gonna say, wait I go take for a set of people recognize and realize what really a take place in this country. This is the country a boom and a move at a reasonable speed. Brother, me no know if the people must support PNP if them a alien or me just can't see through it. Me see them have one rally since night and me I say them people are really stand up and listen to all of them crap here.
Who's
Let me tell you something.
Excuse me.
What
Who's
I know-
support a PNP?
Let him finish the
They
one at a
have
time. Let the
no
man
way
finish. You get your...
Well, I know, I'm going to show you why I realize that the man educated. Just notice when a PNP keep a rally and them have a speech, a beer horn a year and blow. Them don't not listen to where whosoever they on the platform I say really. A sketch them get, just sketch. When Andrew Holness make a speech, you know, man, all people and blow like everything at school. Everybody sit down and listen intensively what really take place to the Prime Minister have to say. You see what I say? Right now England worried. England worried about this right now because England realized that Jamaica, because them no want to pay back them repatriation with them war, you know. And England realized that have to happen now to the program of Andrew Holness have right now.